Mob City.
Yo, Saint Kids, are you ready? A serious thing, you know. A real thing, you know. It's a showdown thing, you know. And I'm talking about, you know, 4 times sound killer, you know. The real deal, you know. The real sound champion, you know. I'm talking about Extacy Sound from out of Queens, the Navies. They're ready and prep for jam rap sound out of Jamaica. The clash, they're gonna be big. You can't miss it. Come support Extacy, cause Extacy is the true sound killer. And Extacy Sound, we said no one forever. Hey, you ready? Me ready?
Fly the week, me and the goddamn boy, yeah, yeah. Just bust up by a mansion, boy. Champion, me and the champion, boy, yeah, yeah.
It's all about Knock Show Night.
1,
2013.
2,
2014.
3.
2015. Extacy. Well, this year for Knock Show Night is simple enough. 1, 2, 3, 4. Going 4 feet this year. And some they're supposed to bring some sound from Jamaica that's unknown. Nobody know them, they like dinosaur, them boy they extinct. Understand me? Some sound named jam rock, jam this, jam. But they name tambourine jam. And some kind of, you know. Anyway. March 26th, the place to be Sunday Point Knock Show Night. The one they kick out. Understand me? And we ain't doing this for Extacy. Not Knock Show, not Sunday Point. We're doing this for St. Kitts Nevis. Understand me? So walk with your iron pan, your old pot, anything that can make noise. Be patriotic. Understand me? Put on your St. Kitts colors, because it's St. Kitts versus Jamaica. And we don't kill one Jamaican already, and we're gonna kill another one.
1, 2, 3, 4.
What up?
Everybody don't know the thing, bro. Nah, laugh with you. You know how much you say, no? Because it will happen. It will happen. I don't want to bias this neither. Fear.
Can't remember them, yo, me don't remember them, but every day they remember me. Unless you name Jody and Maxwell, you can't chat to me. Champion, white man, shall I make the goddamn